Welcome to this video presentation on the importance of accounting in small business success. Today, we'll be diving into a case of Amitra Bakery, a small bakery facing various financial challenges and how accounting principles can help overcome these issues. Amitra Bakery is a family-run business that has been operating for over 5 years. Amira, the owner, is passionate about her product and providing excellent customer service. However, despite this effort, the bakery is struggling with several key financial issues. Today, we'll explore how applying accounting tools that can help Amira turn strike around. The three main challenges Amira Bakery faces is the first one, declining profit despite steady sales. And the second one, recurring cash flow issues. Third, a lack of clarity about the business financial health. By the end of this presentation, we'll see how accounting can address these challenges and pave the way for growth. Let's first understand the financial overview of the bakery to set the stage. Here is a financial snapshot of Amitra Bakery. In a typical month, Amitra Bakery generates $15,000 in revenue. This is a decent amount, but the real issue lies in the expense. Monthly expenses are also $15,000, meaning the business is breaking even there's no profit. Looking closer at the cash reserve, Amira only has $1,000 in cash on hand. This shows the business has minimal liquidity, which can lead to financial stress, especially if unexpected expenses arise. Let's now break down the key challenge Amira is facing based on this number. The first challenge is the lack of profit. While revenue remains steady, the bakery isn't making enough profit to reinvest in the business. There's no cushion, expansion, or to cover emergencies. Next, the cash flow issues are causing a lot of strain. With only $1,000 available, Amira can afford to cover unexpected expenses, such as equipment failures, seasonal fluctuation in sales, or delayed customer payment. Lastly, there's an unclear path to grow. Without understanding where the business stands financially, Amira can make informed decisions about how to grow, diversify, or plan for the future. These challenges underline the importance of accounting. Now, let's explore how accounting tools and principles can help resolve these issues. Let's dive deeper into budgeting and cost control. One of the first things Amira should do is track where the money being spent. Accounting allows business to see a pattern in their spending, which can highlight areas where costs can be reduced. For instance, first, Amira could review supplier contracts to negotiate better price, potentially saving on bulk purchases. Second, Amira can using tools like QuickBooks or Xero. She can track expense automatically and generate reports to monitor spending patterns. The third, she could also reduce utility costs by adapting energy efficient equipment or adjusting operation hours to off-peak times. Let's now discuss how Amira can focus on improving her profitability. Profitability analysis is a key benefit of accounting. Amira needs to understand which products are bringing in the most profit. For example, if cakes have a high profit margin but muffins do not, Amira can make strategic decisions about pricing, production, and marketing. And the steps for profitability analysis include 1. Conducting a product-by-product margin analysis to identify which item generate the highest profit. 2. Focusing on high margin items and potentially discontinuing Low margin products. 3. Testing different pricing strategies to increase profit without losing customer. By understanding her product profitability, Amira can make smarter decisions that help grow her bottom line.
Cash flow management. Cash flow is often called the lifeblood of any business, and this holds especially true for small businesses like Amira's Bakery. Even if her products are profitable, mismanaged cash flow can lead to financial difficulties. With proper accounting practice, Amira can monitor her cash flow in real time and take steps to keep it healthy. Effective cash flow management involves 1. Creating a cash flow forecast. Amira should track both incoming revenue and outgoing expense over weeks, months, and years to anticipate potential shortfalls. For example, if sales dip during certain months, she can plan ahead to cover fixed costs like rent and wages. 2. Negotiating better payment terms. Extending payment deadlines with supplier can free up cash for immediate operational needs, helping her maintain adequate reserve. 3. Offering incentives for early payments. Discounts for customers who pay early can encourage faster cash inflow. This strategy can be particularly effective in a business-to-business model or for regular customers. 4. Building an emergency cash reserve. Setting aside a portion of her profit ensures she has funds available to cover unexpected expenses, such as equipment repairs or supplier price increase. By actively managing her cash flow, Amira can ensure her bakery remains financially stable, avoids unnecessary debt, and has the flexibility to invest in future growth opportunities. Accounting goals (PO) day-to-day financial management, which serve as a critical tool for strategic planning. Amira can use accurate financial data to make well-informed decisions that align with her long-term goal for the bakery. By leveraging accounting tools and techniques, Amira can 1. Set realistic growth targets based on historical data and market trends. She can establish clear and attainable goals. For instance, if sales increase by 10% during the holiday season, she can plan seasonal promotion to capitalize on this trend. 2. Attract investors or secure loans with solid financial projection. She can make a compelling case to banks or potential investors. This will enable her to raise funds for expansion, such as opening a second location or investing in more efficient equipment. 3. Expand her product line or location. Accounting tools can help her forecast the cost and potential returns of new product launch or moving to a larger space. For example, the introduction of a premium product line or a specialty menu could attract a broader customer base. In essence, accounting transfers financial data into actionable insight, empowering Amira to plan strategically, minimize risks, and achieve her vision for growth. Now that we have explored the key areas where accounting can enhance Amira's bakery, let's dive into specific recommendations to improve its financial health, increase profitability, and achieve long-term sustainability. Effective budgeting and cost control are essential for Amira to maximize profit, while minimizing unnecessary expense to achieve this. Amira should consider the following. 1. Adopt accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. These tools streamline financial management by automating expense tracking, generating reports, and reducing the risk of human error. This will save Amira time and allow her to focus on other aspects of her bakery. 2. Regularly review supplier contracts. Comparing supplier pricing periodically ensures Amira gets the best deal. Negotiating bulk discounts or finding alternative suppliers for key ingredients can significantly reduce costs. 3. Train staff on reducing waste. Proper ingredient usage and inventory management can minimize spoilage and waste. Small, consistent saving in these areas can compound over time and have a significant impact on profitability. By focusing on this area, Amira can keep her expense under control and allocate her resources more efficiently. To further improve her bakery's profitability, Amira should use modern tools and strategies to analyze product performance. Here's how she can make the most of her profitability analysis. 1. Leverage a point of sale system by tracking individual sales and profit. Amira can easily identify her best and worst performing products. For example, if specialty cakes are her top sellers, she can expand her offerings in that category. 2. Promote high margin items. Focus on the target marketing campaigns that highlight premium products. For example, Amira could showcase her most profitable cakes through social media, limited time offers, or premium packaging to attract more customers. 3. Adjust pricing on low margin products. Testing different pricing strategies for less profitable items can make them more viable. Alternatively, Amira could explore new offerings like organic, gluten-free, or other specialty items to appeal to higher paying customers. By applying these strategies, Amira can create a product line up that is not only popular but also optimized for profitability, helping her achieve sustained financial success.
Next, cash flow management. Cash flow management is a crucial process for ensuring that a business has enough funds to meet its operational needs and avoid financial strain. First, creating a cash flow forecast is essential because it allows business owners to plan their income and expense more effectively. By forecasting the inflows and outflows of cash, business can predict potential cash shortages or surpluses, which help in making informed decisions such as delaying expense or planning for future investments. This proactive approach ensures that businesses are not caught off guard by unexpected financial fluctuations. Second, to further reduce pressure on cash flow, business should consider negotiating longer payment terms with suppliers. For example, instead of paying invoice immediately, negotiating from extended payment deadlines allows business to have more flexibility with their cash, helping them cover day-to-day expense and invest in other areas of the business. This strategy also provides more breathing room, especially during period when revenue might be low or unpredictable. Third, maintaining a cash reserve is a vital component of sound cash flow management. Ideally, business should set aside an emergency fund equal to 1 month's operating expense. This reserve acts as a safety net during tough times, such as when there's sudden decline in revenue, unexpected expense arise, or seasonal fluctuation impact sales. Having this cushion ensures that the business can continue operation with the need to rely on loans or credit during emergencies, which help maintain financial stability in the long term. Next, strategic planning. Strategic planning is essential for business growth and success. By using accounting data, businesses can set realistic goals based on their financial performance and create a clear roadmap for future expense. For example, Amira can explore partnership with cafe shop to increase product visibility and boost sales. Additionally, investing in online marketing is a great strategy to reach a broader audience, leveraging digital platforms to attract more customers and grow the business.
Modern accounting tools and technology have revolutionized financial management for small businesses like Amitra's Bakery. Let's explore the key features of some highly recommended tools and how they can help Amira streamline her operation. 1. QuickBooks, a comprehensive tool for small businesses. Features: automates invoicing, payroll, and expense tracking. Offer customizable financial report to analyze sales trends and profitability. Support integration with payment platforms like PayPal or Stripe for seamless transaction. Benefit for Amira Bakery: tracks ingredient costs and labor expense, giving a clearer picture of profit margin. Reduce manual bookkeeping time, allowing Amira to focus on running her business. 2. Xero, user-friendly and affordable. Features: real-time cash flow monitoring, collaboration tools that let Amira and her accountant access the same data remotely, bank reconciliation tools to match transactions automatically. Benefit for Amira Bakery: keeps finances organized with minimal effort, ensure accurate records for tax compliance and planning. Key benefit of using technology for Amira Bakery: automation reduces human error, saving time and ensuring accuracy. 2. Real-time insight allow for better decision making and financial planning. 3. Tax tools make compliance straightforward, preventing costly penalties. Affordable subscriptions mean even small businesses can access these powerful tools.
Next, benefit of automation. Automation in accounting offers significant advantages for small business, and Amira can benefit for embracing these tools. First, automation saves valuable time by eliminating manual tasks like payroll and invoicing, enabling Amira to focus on core business operations such as enhancing customer service and developing new products. Instead of spending hours on administrative work, she can dedicate her time to improving the overall bakery experience and growing the business. Second, automation reduces the likelihood of human error, which is crucial in maintaining accurate financial record. By automation process, the chances of mistakes such as incorrect calculation or missed entries are greatly minimized, which help prevent potential financial misreporting or tax issues. This accuracy can be vital for Amira when managing the bakery finance and ensuring compliance with tax regulation. Third, automation system provide real-time financial data that is essential for informed decision making. By analyzing this data, Amira can identify key trends such as busy sales period or areas where costs are high, allowing her to make adjustments to her strategies. For example, if she identifies that certain products are more profitable during specific times, she can allocate resources effectively to maximize sales. By integrating automations into her accounting process, Amira can streamline her financial management, reduce administrative burdens, and focus on growing her business more strategically.
Implementing strategies is critical to transforming Amira Bakery, and here are the first steps you can take. The first is conduct a financial audit. By review 6 months of income and expense, categorize them to identify inefficiencies. For example, reduce unnecessary utilities expense or overstock supplies. Number 2, adopt simple tools. By use affordable software like QuickBooks or Wave for automate tracking and reports. 3. Set a realistic budget. Allocate funds for fixed costs, reinvestment, and saving using a zero-based budgeting approach. 4. Employees. By train employees staff to minimize waste and track inventory effectively to control costs. Next, measuring success. After implementation, Amira can measure success with key metrics like first, gross profit margin, identify profitable product and areas to improve. 2. Cash flow tracking. By ensure inflow exceed outflow to avoid shortfalls. 3. Monthly review. By regularly adjust strategies based on performance trends. For example, show a graph of profit increasing by 15% after waste reducing and better pricing.
Next, key takeaways. To summarize the key points from this video, first, accounting is essential for identifying and solving financial challenges, such as declining profit and cash flow issues. By closely monitoring financial data, businesses are able to detect warning signs early, such as an imbalance between income and expense, and take corrective measures to address those issues before they escalate. Second, accounting provides valuable insight into profitability, managing cash flow, and making informed strategic decisions. With detailed financial report, business can identify areas for cost cutting, recognize opportunity to increase revenue and better allocate resources to support growth. Third, by utilizing accounting data and modern tools. Small business like Amira Bakery can make decisions that are based on real-time, accurate information. Tools such as QuickBooks, Xero, and Facebook automate many of the time-consuming tasks like invoicing, payroll, and tracking expense, which frees up time for business owners to focus on improving product and customer experiences, while ensuring accurate financial tracking by implementing these strategies and tools. Amira can confidently navigate her bakery financial challenge and set it on the path to long-term success, ensuring its stability and growth.
Let's take a closer look at the exciting opportunities that await Amitra Bakeries with the right financial strategies and accounting practice in place. 1. Building a financially stable foundation by addressing cash flow challenges and creating a cash reserve. Amitra Bakery will be better equipped to handle emergency and seasonal fluctuation. Strategic budgeting will enable Amira to reduce unnecessary costs and redirect resources to areas that drive growth. 2. Unlocking new revenue streams, collaboration, partnering with local coffee shops or event planners to supply baked goods. Online sales, launching an online store to reach a broader audience, including customers who prefer delivery. Seasonal promotion, offering special holiday theme baked goods to attract more customers during peak season. 3. Enhancing customer engagement. With better financial data, Amir can invest in customer loyalty programs like offering discount for repeat purchase or a reward system. Using the insight gained from accounting tools, she can tailor marketing efforts to focus on her high-margin product, ensuring maximum return on investment. With proper accounting tools and strategies, Amitra Bakery has the potential to transform from a struggling small business into a thriving, well-organized operation. The journey towards success began with taking control of the number and using them as a roadmap for growth.
Thank you for watching this detailed presentation of the role of accounting in small business success. By leveraging the right accounting tools and practice, any business, including Amitra's Bakery, can turn financial challenge into opportunity for growth and success.